Okay, so we have Genrify, the fiction section. Unfortunately, we're still in the middle of the process, so we got a little bit of a mess. So there's some things that you guys need to know. First of all, these are already stickered, so they all look like that you could just walk to the shelf and go buy the sticker collar. Before you do that though, you need to actually look at the spine label. You need to see what it says. All of these do say FIC for fiction, and then the author's first three digits of their last name. Same thing goes for that book. So those do go in the fiction section by their genre. But what you need to know is that the old system that Mr. Bowers used, he did use those collar stickers. So you need to look at spine labels first. If they're numbers, they go in the Dewey Decimal area. If they are FIC, then they go in fiction. Then you look at the collar. If you find one that, for example, is this collar. This is a collar that he used for the fiction section when it was in the Dewey numbered area. We have since moved those out to fiction. You can see that it's already taped up, and probably your biggest indicator is that the color that is actually for altered future, and vampires go in paranormal. And so that might be my biggest hint that that's in the wrong place. We are starting to seal up these stickers. As I check a book and determine that it is in the correct place, I'm going to start taping them up. So you just need to pay attention and think about what you're doing as to whether it makes sense to where you're putting it. Alright, so this is the book that we identified that has the wrong collar. Again, hopefully we all know that Eclipse is part of a vampire series. And if you look at my signs, I'll move over here. The signs that are done are nice and pretty. You can see it says paranormal, supernatural, vampires, zombies, ghosts, strange, werewolves. My old signs still have the same kind of information, they're just not pretty yet. And it tells you like fantasy fiction has magic, unreal elements, Greek mythology, that type of thing. I'll go through the genres later on what the differences are about, but if you are not sure, a quick glance at the sign could help you place the book in the right place. So again, we're back at Eclipse. It has the collar for the altered future, which is not correct. So if you find these drawers, we currently have them back in the fiction section. They will be moved to be behind the circulation desk. You would need to find the correct color. In this case, it's paranormal, so it's the light blue. I am aware that some of our colors are very similar in their distinction, and that for some people it's very hard for them to tell the difference. So we're looking at some solutions. One solution could be that we're just going to put a letter on the sticker to help us. But go ahead and find the correct color. You can match it to the sign. Place it over the old collar the best that you can, and you're good to go. What you would need to do before you put it on the shelf is to go into Destiny, do a copy status on the book, hit edit copy, go to the call number. The call number should read, starting with the fact that it's a paranormal, all caps, PAR, lowercase FIC, space, all caps, MEY. That last portion is the first three letters of the author's last name. So again, 3 capitals from the type of genre, 3 lowercase FIC for fiction, a space, and then the author's 3 letters from their last name.